This butter cookies is a replica of the popular Danish cookies. Stay with me, let me show you how. For this recipe, I'll be using sugar, butter, and flour. So I'll start by mixing or beating the butter and the sugar until I achieve a creamy, fluffy, light texture. This process took quite a lot because I mixed manually by hand, so I had to use a lot of energy and I whisked it briskly. Here, the color is beginning to change to look like exactly the end result of what I'm trying to achieve. Like I said, I applied a lot of energy, and this is what I'm having at this point. It's beginning to look nice. So I beat it a little further to achieve a more fluffier texture before I start folding in the flour. I added the flour bit by bit and folded gently until it was completely mixed. So I used 2 cups of flour. This process is very necessary, adding the flour bit by bit so that you achieve a more even consistency. Now that is all done, the next is to start molding balls for the cookies. For the records, my hands are thoroughly washed and properly sanitized. So I roll this dough into tiny balls, and please note that while rolling, just allow it to form like a lumpy ball, not flat, because during baking it flattens out. So I repeat this process until I've exhausted all the dough in the bowl. Because I do not have a piping bag, to achieve that swirl effect on the popular Danish cookies, I tried using my table knife. So I used the table knife to give the first shape or first design, and then I proceeded to use my cutlery, which is the fork, to give the second design. If you are enjoying this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and family, especially those who are interested in baking. You can as well subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos to come, and please do also leave a comment. I baked this for 50 minutes at 41 degrees, and the reason being that I wanted it to brown very well, and this is the result. came out very nice and very crispy and very brown too, just like I wanted. So here is a twist. For the second batch of the dough, I mixed the smaller portion in some vanilla essence and spread out and topped it up with some chocolate chips. Do you see this Humpty Dumpty shape I made for my daughter? Yes, I know she likes it. So I baked the second batch at a lower temperature and a shorter time. It didn't come out very brown, but it came out tasting really nice, like the store-bought cookies. So yeah, here we have our cookies. It was looking really nice, and because I wanted to be extra, I remembered I had a ribbon from my Valentine package left over. So I had to do like a little setup. So yeah, my Valentine came on the 21st of February instead of the 14th. Listen, this is how you can actually mesmerize your guests. This was an easy bake. It didn't take so much time, little effort, especially if you have a food processor or something that can help you to mix your dough. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. Thank you so much for always engaging, always encouraging. And I hope you stay blessed and stay safe. Until next time that I see you for even more banging recipes. Bye-bye. Chidima Evelyn loves you.